Little Nora is getting ready to fry some lumpia. Except when they say it for some reason. To me, it sounds like it's got a T on the end. It sounds like they say lumpia. But lumpia Shanghai. Pork? Chicken, Nora. What's going on here?
So I'm cooking this, the lumpia,
Lumpias.
and first I will cook the chicken because somebody at my work cannot
So you
eat.
got your oil heating up, ready to go?
Yeah, and I can't mix the pork because somebody from my work cannot eat pork. So.
Oh, Muslim?
I don't know. Maybe she just don't eat pork at all. So.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I can see that.
It's not hot yet, so I just tried that.
I didn't make it quite to the bottom of this 12-pack yesterday, but I came close. And those are tall boys, ladies.
So I always cook, it's frozen, but I always, I don't thaw it all the way, so I always cook it while it's still frozen.
I see.
Itut.
Itut.
That's my expression ever since.
King Tut.
Itut.
These little Filipino pastries, they look good, but to me, just not much flavor.
Why is it bubbling?
Oh, wheat. I try not to eat wheat if I can help it.
Ube polvoron.
Ube polvoron.
Yeah, it's just pastry.
Mm.
So I like to eat that.
I'm sure.
Yeah, if I want something sweet, craving for sweet. It's good for hot tea.
Little Nora bought these chicharrones at the Buford Farmers Market yesterday. I haven't tried them yet. I'm sure they're wonderful. I tried those plums right there, though. They are definitely good.
Oh.
These Philippians usually like to eat that stuff with dipping it in a sweet chili sauce. Me, however, I like it with more of a salty chili sauce, like sriracha. You like it with sriracha, right, Nora?
Sriracha.
Lumpiats?
Yeah. That wrapper.
It's not a good wrapper?
I don't know what kind of wrapper they use, but
Just like spring roll wrapper, right?
yeah, it's not the kind I use.
Oh, you didn't. That's right. You bought these over there on the Filipino aisle, right?
Yeah. It's still lumpia. Oh, it's hot. And golden brown. Golden brown. And golden brown.
They're looking quite nice to me.
More.
Panda Express. Oh my God.
Make sure, where is the expiration date on this? Make sure it's not expired.
I see you bought it at a reduced price.
Yeah, Kroger. Manager special. That's not everyday eating either.
So you're cooking most of this for your coworkers and not for me, right?
No, you can have some.
Oh, I
You
get
can
some.
try the chicken and.
Do we have sriracha?
I don't know. I have no idea what we have.
Gotta have some in there somewhere amongst all that. Of course, little Nora bought that for me to eat with my chicharrones. Ah, good. No high fructose corn syrup. Well, good. Well, hell, I'll eat that then. You could have used some of that ghee right there. Ghee butter.
Ghee butter.
Right there. See, us southern folk here in the southeastern United States, we like to buy these green peanuts and boil them in salty water with some jalapenos, or use cayenne pepper. Red pepper flakes works pretty good too. That would probably be pretty good for boiled peanuts. Separate it.
Yeah.
She can't even come into contact with pork?
No, she didn't say, but I always, I do that to my Muslim relatives or friends in Zamboanga. So
Okay.
I have respect for that.
Not judging. Nothing wrong with that.
I mean,
Yeah, pork lumpia is the best. Sometimes they do it with pineapples and cream cheese, right?
pineapples and yeah. I mean, yeah, you can.
Yeah, that one wouldn't really be for me. I like the pork. Just something so porky about pork. I like it. I don't like them to be raised unethically, though. You know, like the way some of those farms over there raise their pigs, like just two in a little cage.
Yeah.
One of them's facing one way and the other one's facing the other way, and their whole short life, they can't even turn around or anything. All they can do is just stand and eat and get fat.
Yeah.
That's terrible. Need to be.
Even if you raise them like that, they just like to lay in the corner, like they're lazy.
Yeah,
They don't walk around.
but they need to be raised happily, though, before they're slaughtered and butchered. Coconut oil, product of the Philippines. Avocado oil. Both of those real good for sauteing, not so much for frying. Best frying oil, as far as I'm concerned, is your peanut oil.
This is good oil for frying because it does make the food really, cooked. It's a good oil.
Right, we're just not sure what kind of oil it is. I'm thinking it's safflower oil, but
That is.
because I remember buying a bottle of it not too long ago, and it's not here anymore, so it's got to be what that is.
You've cooked and
Heat advisory, heat advisory, heat advisory. Atlanta, Georgia. About 40 miles north thereof. Where it was going to be 107 degrees in Billings, Montana. Montana! That's unbelievable.
really hot.
That's way up north. Out west, of course, but still, I've never heard of temperatures that high out there. I guess I could be wrong. I'm not a meteorologist. No, in Billings, Montana. 107 on Tuesday. My God. Folks, welcome to the apocalypse. So you can just leave me like maybe 2 or 3 pork ones and 2 or 3 chicken ones. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Enough
so.
for you?
Right.
3 of each?
Yeah. 2 or 3.
I'll make 3 of each. That's the pork.
Sure smells good.
Yeah.
Think it's any good?
Good.
I guess I could try one, huh?
Chili sauce here.
Okay. Awesome.
Smells good.
Thank you very much. I'm afraid to leave this out too long with these flies we've got in here, but I have killed 4 or 5 of them here in the last few minutes. I broke our fly swatter last week.
You always break stuff here.
Well, it sat out there outside on the patio for like 2 weeks and got rained on multiple times and then heated by the sun, then rained on and heated by the sun. So it was kind of brittle.
You break the blinds.
Multiple tornado warnings throughout the afternoon.
Tornado. Port Austin, Michigan, or Michigan.
We're also tracking the tropics.
Cocoa Beach, Florida. That's where Captain Major or Major Anthony Nelson lived. And I Dream of Jeannie. Oh my gosh, look at this. Unreal, man. Rolling 4K at 30 frames per second on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Not sure I love this phone all that much. I think the 10, the iPhone 10 or X or whatever they call it, I think that was the best one.
That's not true.
Sometimes this one, when I'm typing on it, like, you know, if I'm typing a comment or something, the typing noise starts off real loud, and then it pops, and then it's silent again. It's weird.
Volume down. I don't hear mine.
I've dropped it a couple of times, but I got an OtterBox on it, so it hadn't broken the screen. But I guess the impact from dropping it might have done something. I don't know.
I think so.
If it starts giving me trouble, though, I'll send it back to AT&T, and they can send me a new one. Nice to sit out in the backyard for a little while in the sun. Not too much sun, but absorb that vitamin D. Try to keep that immune system good and optimal. Okay, folks, so if you're Filipino, you're already quite familiar with lumpia. If you're American, European, Australian, or whatever, and you've never tried it, try it. It's not all good. Depends on the chef, but definitely a delicious cultural dish. So here's the wrap up.
Okay.
Got your chicken lumpia, your pork lumpia. Nora's frying the last little bit.
And your sweet chili sauce.
Sweet chili sauce. No high fructose corn syrup, thank gosh. I will be having some. Excellent, little Nora. You got anything to say?
No. I hope
Nothing
you
to
enjoy
add?
my cooking here. I'll see you next time. I don't know. We'll see what we're gonna cook here next time.
Yeah, maybe Wednesday. Didn't you say you're off Wednesday?
Yeah.
I am too.
Okay, so
What a coinky dink.
we'll cook something else.
All right, so maybe we'll do something on Wednesday.
Okay.
So, what is this, July the 25th?
I guess, I don't know, maybe.
All right. It's Sunday, I know that. So for Chavacana Travels, Nora and Frank signing off.
Ciao.
Bing.